So I just want to do a check-in and update on my Visions of the Past by Ivan Valakovic. Here is the first two rows. It's amazing. So amazing. I can't wait to get up to this part here. Taking my time with this one because it is a lot of single placing, and that is something that I just don't do. I like to multi-place, but this canvas is very, very tight. And not tight to where they're popping off, but tight enough. And you just, not that I rush diamond painting, but I just have to say to myself, you're not going to be moving at the pace that you like, so just take smaller sections and pace yourself. But I love it. I just love the color. I love that trunk. Absolutely love it. Here is my second container from Temu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one was easier to put together because the doors and the handles and the magnets were already on. So I'm getting ready to go into this room and create some more space by taking down, I believe this bookcase is going to go. I'm waiting for the Facebook group. It's Pacific time. I got back up here at 9 p.m. I'm like, okay, what's the keyword? I'm like, where is everybody? Well, they're on Pacific time. So I figured I'll spend some time in my room deciding what is actually going to go into those cabinets and get this out of here. And one other thing I got from Temu, let me just swing around, was this cute little bird. I have stuff already hanging around, too much stuff. Okay. Look at this cute little bird. I just charged him. Isn't he adorable? You can hang him up if you want to. I'm going to take that out of there. I don't really like that on there, but he's a bright light or a yellow light or a softer light. I just think he's so cute. So that's something else that I got from Temu. I have a straight razor so I can open up my boxes. He's so cute. I thought he was natural wood. He's not. He's like a plastic. Isn't he adorable? And he would look so cute. You could take the stand off if you just wanted to hang him, like maybe in your patio or something. But the only thing with these guys is that you have to charge them. But this one I charged a while ago. This is another Temu lamp. I charged this one a while ago, and he's still kind of bright. My cousin Michael actually had that too when I went to Florida. And he's like, oh, I should have got the bigger one. I'm like, oh, okay, we'll get you the bigger one. So cute. I love this little bird, and I still love this little thing for my bottle. I just think he's adorable. So I have my work cut out for me here. If this isn't a meditation, I don't know what is. I don't think that I have the box still to Daydreamer to see if maybe I put the drills in there. But I did go back and review the video of when I did the unboxing, and the only thing that I took out were the 5 AB drills. And, you know, I put everything inside the plastic bag when I was done, and they were the only things that were cut off from the strips. So I'm going to have to contact Dreamer Design and just tell them, I don't know what happened here, but I don't have the 4 color drills that I need. And tomorrow is starting Mermaids and Magic. That runs from May 1st to May 31st. I put all the information in the description of my video. Speaking of diamonds, Rich has a lot of information. He did a video, and also I think her name is Tiffany. These people are all new to me. I think it was Tiffany that has a list of sponsors. I think Rich does also, so you can check out their site. I mean, I with these events, even if you don't participate in them, there are a lot of distributors that really have a lot of things that you can buy at a discounted price, which is always nice too. So I'm going to get cracking. I know what I'm doing right now. I'm procrastinating, but I'm going to get cracking here. Do you understand now? This is why I can't get anything done. He was gnawing at the door, trying to open it. He comes in, and now I'm ready to move this bookcase out of here, and look at where he's got to be. Foofi, you're in the way again. You're in my way again. Can you please get out of the bookcase? Thank you. I can't believe he actually listened to me. Okay guys, this is what I'm doing while I'm waiting for the Mermaids and Magic event to begin. First off, let me back up here. I cannot believe, I can't even get the whole shot, what I was able to fit in this storage unit. I'm getting another 2 of them, not to go across, which might not be a bad idea, but I think I just wanted to go up taller, but maybe now that I'm thinking out loud, maybe I'll just get another 2. But I want to show you what I was able to put inside here. Okay, in here, my books fell because I just moved this out from the hallway. But I'm able to stand my books up. I got my little steel drum in here. Have to put her inside her package. I have my pens that I write with in the morning. I have my journals, my Book of Awakening. I have my incense, my tarot cards, stuff like that. Okay, just in there. In the next one, I took stuff off of the cart because I had room. I have my glass pens and ink. I have my dies in here. I have stuff, Paris, like ephemera. I had a Parisian brunch and I take these out. I have my oil pastels. I have my stamp set, and I have another pen set in here. I love my glass pens. I sketch with those. Then down here I didn't think that these monsters were going to fit. I really didn't. In here I have all my Zentangle stuff. I have little things that I've punched out that I use in handmade cards. In here I have all my acrylic paints, and they're inside a big box. I have another big box down here, and these have all... Another big box down here. These have all my dies, and I still have room to put stuff on the side. And what do I have in here? I have like inks. Look how big this box is. I have inks and some of my, well, just inks. Okay, maybe I'll put some of my rubber stamps in here. So that's in there. That box is big. And then down here I have all my books that were in both of my bookcases. All of them. And there's still room in there. All my art journals, all my favorite sketchbooks and stuff like that. Oh my God, I can't believe what I was able to fit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's behind these smoky doors. And I think I will get 3. I think I will get 3. And then I'll be able, it's just that it's just so much cleaner in here without having, you know, that open mess over there. And everything is still like in storage boxes. If I need something, I take it out. If I want, I take my paint. Look at this one in the hallway. Look. If I want to take my paints out, I take my paints out. Oh my God, I can't stand them. If I want to take my paints out, they're in a box. If I want to take my glass pens out, they're in a box. All my journals are on the bottom. And I'm so happy with it. I just really am. And it just feels wider in here and I can breathe. So I wanted to buy one to see, okay, what am I getting? Because it's totally different than this one. This one, it does not have the shelf space, but in here I'm going to put, you know, Mermaids and Magic is going to go in here, and then I have my 3 cases that I get from Amazon that hold, you know, those little snap and close. And then I have another set of my art dot system. These are empty. And then in here I have another journal. I just have my little printer, another stand, tripod. This is just a note-taking book, my printer, my cup warmer, and I just threw in here on top these books. I was like, gotta get these books out of the way. In here, what do I have in here? I have my rubber stamps, so I think that those rubber stamps are going to go on the other side. Keep everything together with my David. Love David. I have my computer in here, and I have my stamper, and then this is all my stuff for my printer. I have that upside down because that is for some content that I'm doing later. And what do I have on the bottom? On the bottom are just all my, get this in here. On the bottom is all my spare drills. I can't even tell you how many of those Joey containers I have in there. I have my square ones, my round ones, all my extra drills. I have that big one in there. My smaller ones, even my small ones, my longer ones, my medium-sized ones. There's like 3 of the long ones in there. So there. Very happy. Whew. We're getting it together, kids. We're getting it together because I can't breathe in here, but I feel like I can breathe a little bit when I look over there. And I just look at that, and it's organized. And here comes trouble. So, okay, still waiting for, let me see, how much longer do I have? Oh, I have like another 90 minutes before, I have another 90 minutes before Mermaids and Magic, and I might not make it. I might just go to bed and then pick it up in the morning. But I wanted to show you these cabinets, and if you're thinking, so easy to put together, and a lot of room in that one. A lot of room. I'm still thinking, do I want to go up higher? I want to go up to the door frame. Because let me see, I'll show you. It comes up to here on me. So maybe I could do one more. I'm going to kill this cat. He's in my jewelry now. Oh, maybe I should get one for my jewelry back there. Just show you what goes on. This is what's going on behind the curtain. And he's like, oh, I like that stuff back there. John took the radiator cover off, never put it back. And my jewelry is just hanging over here. And this one is just like, oh, shiny things. Let me get in here. Oh, maybe I should get one in here for my jewelry. I really wanted this to be like a writing space for me. Like put a seat on top of the radiator, put the cover back on, put a seat on top of the radiator. There's wood back there. I have to hide my antiques. They're from the 70s, those vases. And here's one of my favorite. This is one of the paintings I got from an auction when I was on a ship. But, you know, got to put that back on. I got to get in this corner. I got to organize this jewelry and everything else that I throw in that corner. And now he's in there. And that little table is actually the table from Italy from my family. And he's back there in my art room. I have to put, what's her face up? Where is she? She's on the door, back door. Chosen, she's ready to go up. So once I get this together, I'm going to rearrange the paintings. Well, if I don't put, see, I just keep thinking here. If I don't put anything on top of here, I can use that wall space for diamond painting. And it will probably be this diamond painting. And I'll just keep putting my Curtises across. I might do that. Yeah. All right. Things are cooking in here at Shea Elisa Maria Designs. Okay. If I'm not back, have a nice evening. And if I, if I'm not back, have a nice evening. But I'm going to try and hang for Mermaids and Magic. I don't even know what I'm talking about. I got to go to bed.